morning and welcome back to my channel. Spring has finally sprung and I'm so excited about it. I am in full-blown spring mode. I have planted, I think, all of my seeds, and let me show you where we are with them. Okay, these are all my future seedlings. These are black-eyed peas, and they're going to go in my green stalk, or in one of my green stalks. Have a pretty good germination rate. These are the seeds that I bought from my local grocery store. And here we have some radish, some kohlrabi, and tomatoes, and okra. And overall, we have had a pretty good germination rate. And I'm waiting for some of them, if not all of them, to get 2 sets of true leaves before I up pot them into where they're going to go. These are my seed trial collard greens, and they're coming along well. I'm waiting for some true leaves before I can plant them as well. But it's been about 10 days and they're coming along pretty good. Okay, we have some harvesting to do, so I'm going to take you along and show you what we got. Okay, here we have some lettuce, and we have the Monte Carlo and the Cherokee, and we're going to get some of this. I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are romaine type lettuces. Okay, we got 2 of the Cherokee and 2 of the Monte Carlo. Let's go get some spinach. Here, since I'm going to be needing the bed soon, I'm going to take a couple of the plants, maybe more. This one looks good, so let's take this one. And maybe one more. I just love the sound of how that the leaves make when you touch them. Okay, this is my kale. Don't necessarily need to cut these. I'm just going to break some of the leaves off. Use these to make my smoothie later on today. Okay, we're outside at my squash, and I think I have a couple to get. Okay, next we're going to get some bush beans or string beans. Okay, we got a pretty decent amount of providers. Good with that. Our harvest, we have kale, we have spinach, we have Cherokee lettuce, and we have Monte Carlo lettuce. We have provider beans, and we have squash. Very good harvest, and thank God for allowing me to have it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me today. I gave you a preview of what's to come and did some harvesting. Um, if you got something out of the video, thank you. I appreciate that. Give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I can't grow the channel without your help. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all my new content. Be sure to share my content, and you can leave me a comment and I will reply. If you're interested in any of the seeds or any of the products that I used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website. Both addresses are in the comment section of the video. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a good amount of food for yourself and your family. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.